Although again viewers, there's no doubt this is one of the nicest places that I've been to on my travels. Marbella Old Town. Check out this guy here. Just finding new places. It's a way you walk around the square. How nice is it there? The hotel's just round the corner. This guy here, he's good, eh? Give a wee wave. Just had the wee tapas round the corner. Spanish sausages and meatballs. They only had 5 or 6 dishes left. They were just finishing up, I think. And then going on to an evening menu. It was lovely, quite tasty. €2.50 for the tapas. €5 for 2, and then had a Coke. That was €2.20, I think, the Coke. Random church. How nice is it here? Absolutely beautiful. Just a nice atmosphere. Look at this. I won't go right in. I'll just show you. Making fresh smoothies there. Freshly squeezed juices. Lots of wee side streets here with shops in them. Shop called Bailey's. I was in Bailey last night, Bailey Irish Bar in Torrelinas. There's a lot of photographers around here, and I mean professional photographers. I don't mean like me, a wee guy with a phone. They've actually got proper big cameras. It's obviously a place where you can get lots of really nice photographs. It's lovely. A lot of families about here. Hello. Pretty friendly, most of it. Marbella Town Tourist Apartments, so that is location A there. Look, if you're staying in those. Just a nice relaxing walk there, isn't it? Absolutely lovely. Buildings are so nice. What's round here? Let's go round here. Normally walk a lot faster than this, but I think keep in with the atmosphere of just take it easy. There's an orange tree. Got the bus here from Fingarola, I mentioned that in another video just in case you didn't see it. And the bus was €3.50. It took over an hour, they went round the world. There is quicker buses direct, I think it take about half an hour. Obviously that's not the one I went on. But there's no trains to Marbella. Train line stops at Fingarola. It's a shame really. There would get even more tourists if there was a train, I'm sure. The bus was absolutely jam-packed and quite mental getting on it. I can't really explain to you at Fingarola where I got it from. The bus was kind of half in and next to another bus, and you're standing in front of another bus boarding the bus. It was weird. Beautiful pictures here, aren't they? Reminds me of the wee place we went into in Portimao. Don't know if you've seen that video where I had to leave a restaurant. Even smells nice here, I can't even explain to you, it smells nice. What about here? This wee baby's not happy. Look at that, the plant pots. Nice, eh? You think the shops are going to be pretty expensive here, but I did go buy one and they were selling dresses for like €26, so it wasn't bad at all. The Italians here. Oh, decisions, where to go? Oh, that wee girl's not happy. Nice, eh? And yeah, it's very nice. And what's the name of it? El Patio de Mariscal. All the fruit they've got in there. Lovely, isn't it? Golf shoes. €145. Oh, I don't think I'll need to skip that, I think. What's that? A pair of vintage shoes. Nicole, if you're watching. Just gets nicer, doesn't it, every street you go down? Let me know in the comments if you've been to Marbella Old Town. I'm very impressed with it. I was here the last time, I think it was maybe when, possibly, when we were still kind of in lockdown, and it just, I don't remember it being like this. I think a lot of places must have been shut. The menu seems pretty affordable as well, look at all the wine hanging up the wall in there. Nice. Steakhouse and fine wines, fine wines. Quite a few tapas places, right? I definitely can't afford this first. Let's check it out. Okay, good news, we got a sale on it. It's went from €500,000 to 449. 2-bedroom apartment. I don't know if that's in Malaga or Marbella. It says Malaga, Marbella. They all say Malaga, I think, at the front. Anyway, I think the videos will have to do a bit better before I can invest in that. 6 tapas for €10. This is where I had my tapas. I said it was quite tasty, quite nice. They've got the wee tapas counter up there. So you basically just pick from the counter, see it just up there? Just pick from the counter up there. I only had 5 or 6 things left, but so opted for that. How nice is it here? Absolutely beautiful. Done a video here earlier. I'll show you where my hotel is. We'll just head down. Look at this wee street here. Nice, eh? So nice. Let's go. A lot of unhappy children about, mind you, crying. It's probably heat, it's 30 degrees. There's another wee tapas place as well. That's obviously bigger portions, that one. Another food place here. Told you it's quite friendly. Let's head down the hill, see where it takes us. Be beautiful, certainly beautiful here. My hotel's just down there, round the corner. It's called, what's it called again? The Monkey Room. It's quite a friendly place. 50 quid for a room. It's the cheapest one I could find in Marbella tonight. Marbella's not cheap for accommodation. I came here last time when it was a kind of lower season and I only paid about £30. But that's a gonna going rate. Nice bike, eh? I can hear music from somewhere. I don't know if it's live music or it's possibly coming from a restaurant. Another wee tapas bar here. Look, all these tables are reserved, so it's going to be busy later on tonight. All reserved. Far too early for dinner. This is getting filmed just after 6 o'clock at night. So I think we've got music coming from in this restaurant here. This will just bring us down to the front. I'll see tomorrow morning if I can find some more of the Old Town. I'm not quite sure I've covered it all. We'll see. Organic ice cream. Interesting. get the number 1 bus to Portobello's in case you think they're going to Portobello's. I don't know where you get it yet from. Try and figure it out. So, where to go, viewers? Down this way. Okay, I just seen a bus down here. So the bus from Fingarola, just by luck, dropped me around the corner here, and I nearly stayed on the bus. I think it was going to the actual bus station, which is quite far away, I think, from memory the last time I got off there. Don't know where you park your car for staying here. A lot of these hotels, I don't imagine that any of them have got parking. There's an underground car park there, but that's a pretty good idea. Spaces are going to be at a premium. I never really look for car parking because I'm never driving in these trips, but in case you are, another restaurant there, more kind of modern feel to that one. What's around here, viewers? Oh, it's even nicer. Quite a lot of shops here. Is he in there? Not quite sure where that leads us to down there. More shops. I'm going to do another video probably because I need to head out down this way. I don't know how I missed all this last time. I really don't. Memorial there. So far on this trip, the 2 visually nicest places I've been is Nerja and here, Marbella Old Town. When you go into the centre of Marbella, it's completely different. It's like a proper working town city. It's completely different. Up there, it's absolutely stunning. Quality fashion and home decoration. Okay. The Sam and Dave shop. Again, they're called Sam and Dave on the channel. Shoes. Have a look, see what's around there. San Cristobal Hotel is a wee location spot. That's a very good location if you're wanting to be in the old town. Oh, there's a bus. Where's it going? Okay, so this brings us out to where I got dropped off in the bus. Very, very busy street. I got dropped off just down the road here. That concludes the wee mini tour of Marbella Old Town. Don't forget, hit the wee red button, subscribe, it's absolutely free, doesn't cost a penny. And thanks if you watched to the end, I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments. Is it anywhere nicer than that in the Costa del Sol? Absolutely beautiful, isn't it? Thanks a lot, viewers. See you in the next one.